Hello everyone and welcome to Halloween in July. Now I love all things Halloween. I love creating Halloween projects, and if I have a choice to do Halloween projects only for the rest of my life or Christmas, I am going to pick Halloween. So to start off this wonderful spooky month of July, I am using this Boo mold from Cada. Now this is, of course, a 3D printed mold. The mix that I'm using is black. I used the black color study from Bath Fizz and Foam, and it has been scented with raspberry lemonade from Nature's Garden. The mix has been colored entirely with lakes. Those I got from Nurture Soap. And as usual, I'm just going to make a couple more here and let those dry for a few days. And while I do that, if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and pampering that like button, show it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it, and it helps send my videos out to others who may enjoy them. If you're enjoying it and you haven't already, please go ahead and also pamper that subscribe button. I do upload videos at least every Monday and Thursday, and I do have some wonderful, exciting things coming up that I'm so excited to share with y'all. Okay, so these are entirely dry. I did, of course, prime my bath bomb with a little mist of rubbing alcohol, 91% rubbing alcohol. The color that I'm using here is Orange Vibrance Mica from Nurture Soap. This is a mix of green apple from TKB Trading and Rise and Shine Mica from Nurture Soap. This is Purple Vibrance Mica, also from Nurture Soap. I decided to go with the classic trio Halloween colors for these bath bombs with the orange, green, and purple. I originally was going to do black, green, and purple, but since the bath bomb is black, I wanted something to stand out a little bit more, so I decided to go with the orange. And as always, take time to pamper your inner goddess. Self-care is so important for every her, him, and they. And I will see you in the next one.